This dance is called Might As Well. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on the right foot, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn to the right, cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock, half on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Now we have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in this very first section. Half shuffle turn, step, pivot, a quarter. Should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out, your non-turning steps would be rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Instead of doing that half shuffle, just shuffle back on the right. Then rock back on the left. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the left and then just add on that cross shuffle. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 out in that section. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left into a little weave, crossing the right behind, left to the side, cross the right over. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, little weave, crossing the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over. That set of steps once more then, side rock and weave off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross. Stomp the right to the side, hold on the and count, bring the left beside the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a right kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. That set of steps once more then, stomp, hold off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, hold and side rock, back rock, kick, ball, change. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp, hold and side rock, back rock, kick, ball, change. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step back on the left, right coaster step, back close step, step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then, step, pivot, half shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step. Now in this section, we've got the equivalent of a full turn, step, pivot, half shuffle. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, instead of that step, pivot, then just shuffle back on the right, takes out that half shuffle. You can then go in, same as everybody else, back, coaster, step, step. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that full turn out of that section. Otherwise that is the end of the dance, so let's put it all together. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp, hold and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, side hold and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp, hold and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to play music. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stomp and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, stop, and side rock, back rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, coaster, step, step, forward rock, side rock, stop, pivot, forward rock, side rock, stop, pivot, forward rock, side rock, stop, Hold on. Side breath. Stop. Pivot. Hope you managed that one.